reason I'm saying this is because if not, it could easily, this right here, that grub screw comes out. You come down the back straight away, flying wide open. You're really in two-wheel drive because that grub screw is not even on here turning your rear diff. So it's just rattling around. And as you can see, you see what happens. It busted that bearing. So that bearing is all gone. It also knocked the oval out of the housing. The housing is not oval round anymore. So everything is shaking, rattling, and losing.